Hey everybody, today we're in a Mercedes Sprinter. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 853873. There are a couple things we want to mention before we get started. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering here. You're going to want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. Now, that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is make sure you install the mount onto the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to attach into two different seams. The first is between this hard plastic that's around the vent and the hard plastic that goes around the entertainment system. So right in here. The second is on this side between the hard plastic around the vent and the inner plastic on this side of the dash. So we're going to take the included gap opener, and if your Sprinter has this little cubby hole on top, you'll want to open that up just to make it a little bit easier so you can get the gap opener down into this seam. And you actually have to pop this faceplate out of its bracket. So there's just a little clip behind here. It's okay if you pull it out, it's not going to harm anything. And then we're going to take this angled edge and we're going to slide it in behind that faceplate. Once it's in there, pop that faceplate back into its bracket. And then we're going to go over to this side and we're going to use the gap opener just to open up this seam a little bit. And we're going to push the mount with our thumb until it pops into that seam. Now it's in place. You have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.